What to do in Budapest for 3 days. Best Budapest travel guide. Some cities surprise you slowly. Budapest doesn't. From the very first moment, the moment you step out by the Danube River and see castles glowing across the water, it grabs you. Elegant, grand, relaxed, romantic. Budapest is one of Europe's most underrated gems, and in this guide you'll discover exactly what to do in Budapest for 3 days. You'll get a smart route, landmarks and hidden spots, real local recommendations and the kind of magic most tourists miss. Let's start with day 1. Day 1 castles, Parliament and the Danube. Start your morning around 9:30 on the Buda side of the city. Yes, Budapest is actually 2 cities, Buda and Pest, split by the river. Begin at the top of Gellért Hill. You can walk up, take a bus or ride the funicular from the riverbank. Once you're up there, you're surrounded by history. Start with Buda Castle, then walk toward Matthias Church, one of the most stunning buildings in the city. The roof is covered in colorful tiles that shine in the morning light. Right next to it is Fisherman's Bastion, a fairy tale terrace with views over the Danube and the Hungarian parliament across the river. This is one of the most beautiful photo spots in all of Europe. Take your time, sit, watch the boats. Let the view sink in. Around 11 o'clock, walk down toward the chain bridge and cross to the Pest side. Stop for coffee or a slice of cake at a local cafe near Széchenyi Square. Try adobos or arretes, the Hungarian version of strudel. Then, head to Parliament. This building is massive, gothic, symmetrical and standing proudly beside the river. You can admire it from the outside or take a guided tour inside if you booked in advance. By around 1 o'clock, you're ready for lunch. Walk a few blocks to Hall Street Market Hall. Locals love it. It's casual and full of great options. Goulash, chicken paprika or fresh market bowls. After lunch, stroll down the river promenade. Make sure to stop at the shoes on the Danube bank, a powerful memorial to the victims of World War II. Then, take a break at Szabadság Square, a peaceful park surrounded by grand buildings and sculptures. In the late afternoon, head towards St. Stephen's Basilica. Climb to the dome for another incredible view, this time facing the rooftops and the Buda Hills beyond. Now it's time for a river cruise. Go down to the docks and take a 1-hour Danube boat ride. Many companies offer sunset cruises around 7 in the evening, perfect timing for golden light and reflections. For dinner, stay near the river, look for restaurants around Zrínyi Street or the Basilica and order Hungarian wine with your meal. And if you're still walking after 10 at night, the Parliament building is fully lit up glowing gold against the night sky. A perfect end to your first day. Day 2 thermal baths, Hero Square and rooftop views. Wake up a little slower today. You'll need your energy. Start your day around 10 in the morning at Széchenyi thermal baths. These baths are legendary outdoor pools with steam rising into the air, locals playing chess in warm water, and over a dozen indoor pools and saunas to explore. Spend a couple of hours here, bring a towel and flip-flops, relax. After you're fully recharged, walk across City Park. You'll pass by the Castle, a mix of Gothic, Baroque and Renaissance styles. It looks like it belongs in a storybook. Keep walking until you reach Hero Square, a massive monument that honors the founders of Hungary. Now it's lunchtime. Head towards Andrassy Avenue and stop at a cafe or bistro. There are great local options between Kodály, Circus and Octagon metro stops. After lunch, explore Andrassy Avenue itself. This is Budapest's most elegant street lined with embassies, townhouses and the Hungarian State Opera House. You can book a short guided tour or simply admire it from the outside. Keep walking all the way to the center until you reach Deák Ferenc Square. Now, take a detour into the Jewish quarter, one of the most fascinating parts of the city. Visit the Dohany Street Synagogue, the largest synagogue in Europe. It's beautiful, historic and deeply moving. Take a short break in a nearby ruined pub, especially Simple the Original. It's full of recycled furniture, hanging lights, and strange art. No 2 visits are the same. By around 6 in the evening, go up to one of Budapest's rooftops. Try High Note Sky Bar or 360 Bar. You'll get views over the whole city with a cocktail in hand. For dinner, explore the food scene in Gosdu Courtyard. It's trendy, full of energy, and has options for every taste, from traditional to fusion to vegetarian. End the night with a walk through the quarter's narrow streets, filled with string lights and late-night music. Day 3 markets, bridges and hilltop sunsets. Your final day starts with flavors. Go to the Great Market Hall around 10 in the morning. This place is packed with local produce, spices, souvenirs and food stalls. Try langos, a fried dough with sour cream and cheese, or pick up paprika to take home. Then, cross Liberty Bridge, a green iron structure with great views and fewer crowds than Chain Bridge. Once you're back on the Buda side, hike or take the bus up to Gellért Hill. At the top, you'll find the Liberty statue, amazing viewpoints, and wide open spaces to take a breather from the city noise. This is one of Budapest's best kept secrets, especially during the day when most people are elsewhere. Come back down the hill around 1:30 and head to Bartók Béla Boulevard, a street full of small galleries, book cafes, and bakeries. Lunch here is relaxed and local. In the afternoon, explore Margaret Island. It's a green escape in the middle of the Danube, with bike paths, gardens, and even a musical fountain. Rent a bike, bring a snack, and enjoy the calm. Now is your final evening. To close the trip, return to the Pest side and find a spot at Elizabeth Bridge or Liberty Bridge. Watch the lights come on. Watch boats pass below, and let the rhythm of Budapest stay with you a little longer. Quick summary of your 3-day route. Day 1, castles, Parliament, river walks, and night lights. Day 2, thermal baths, elegant avenues, Jewish quarter, and rooftop bars. Day 3, local flavors, hilltop views, and sunset by the bridges. Budapest is elegance and grit. It's grand and simple all at once. With this guide, you've seen its history, you've soaked in its baths, you've walked both sides of the Danube, and most importantly, you've felt its spirit. Don't forget to check the description of the video. You'll find tools and tips that can save you time and money during your trip. Down below, I've added resources I personally use, from transport cards to trusted food apps. If this guide helped you plan your Budapest journey, give it a like and subscribe for more travel routes made for smart, curious travelers.